Hey guys, Ben with Income Options Trading here on Thursday, December 5th. Had a red day today, a day I wish I could go back in time and kind of start over. I definitely overtraded today, down 480 on the day. Should have been a positive day, but we'll jump right in here to the chart. So early in the day, right after the open, the VIX was up overnight. So I opened up my short iron condor in the morning here. And the short put was at 65. So I had it down here even below this chart. In the early afternoon here, we had a couple of consecutive red candles, and I wanted to lock in a profit. I didn't know if this was going to continue through, so I tightened my stop so my overall trade would be profitable. And I ended up stopping out at basically the bottom of this candle, and the market reversed right there. So mentally just got a little disappointed in myself that I tightened my stop and I got stopped at the very bottom. So from there on, I wasn't really in the best mental state. If I would have just left my trade as is, let the parameters run, I would have been just fine. But so it was a little disappointed in myself there. And then so I wasn't in the best mental state, and I put on some trades here in the afternoon. I probably shouldn't have. The market definitely wasn't looking like it was going up, so I really shouldn't have put on these trades. These are all short put spreads. Like here at 140, I put one on here, and the market dropped down right away. I got close to my 60-80 short put, so I decided to put on another short put spread, but at the 60-75 strike. So I put on another one here. Market bounced a little bit. It did touch right here, but I waited until I had a candle that opened and closed below this line. So I didn't close my trade here. Market came back up and dropped back down below, and this green candle opened and closed below the 60-80. So I closed my first short put spread. And then the market dropped here and got a point away from my other short put spread. So I decided to put on another short put spread right here at 228. So only 32 minutes to go in the day. I really shouldn't have. It was one of those where I was still upset about this, left money on the table in my mind, so wasn't in the best state. But we had this green candle, and a pretty big one, so it was up in here, was up like $500. So I decided I was going to put a short or a stop market on my 60-75 option. I did it for 40 cents. And at 254, we had this big red candle. And actually at this arrow here, my stop got canceled. And I didn't cancel it. So it was canceled on the tastytrade platform. I'm guessing it was by the CBOE. But I don't know for sure. I was hoping to get an email back. I emailed tastytrade and the CBOE, but I haven't heard back. So when I hear back, I'll let you guys know. But if we look at the option here, so if I go to the market or the option chain, it was a 60-75 strike. So if I right click and do view option and chart, and I zoom in, I'll change this to a 1 minute just so you guys can see. So it was right here at 254 is when the order got stopped or canceled. So I had it at 40 cents. So you can see it jumped all the way up to 90 cents. So I'm guessing there was a big spike, and I'm guessing the exchange canceled my order because of that, but I don't know for sure. And I didn't notice that it was a cancel. I saw it pop up on my screen, but I was also working, so I thought I was filled, and I thought I was good. And then a minute later, I look back at my screen, and I'm still in my position. And so I put in another stop order, and I got stopped out on this green candle here, I think at 160. So I think I got stopped out about here, but it went all the way up to 250. Obviously, the market closed here at 75.11, so it would have been 11 cents in the money. So I would have, that's the same as getting closing at 11 cents. So in hindsight, I should have just left it. But when I take a look at my screen and I see, the market still below that, and I'm still in my trade that I thought I had gotten out for a profit, I closed. So I closed somewhere in here. And unfortunately, it was a bigger loss. So that was the difference between positive $500 and negative $500. So, you know, I put in that stop hoping to lock in $500 today. My stop got canceled, not by me, and got a negative $500 day. So day, I really wish I could have gone back. You know, I should have just avoided this whole situation. I should have left this. You know, my parameters, I didn't follow them today. I should have just put on the Iron Condor. The bullish trades here weren't showing. I shouldn't have placed it. You know, it could have been a couple $100 positive day, and you know, I could have gone into the week on a positive note. Instead, going to the end of the week on this kind of sour note, kind of a lapse in judgment on my part, just to show, you know, the psychology of trading and how you have to be locked in every day. I've been pretty profitable. Fortunately, I'm back to where I was Tuesday afternoon from a P&L standpoint. So it only took me back 2 days. So not the end of the world, definitely not the end of the world. But still disappointing end of the day. If I hear anything back from CBOE, I'm hoping to tonight. I'll let you guys know. Otherwise, if you have any questions or comments, let me know. Otherwise, thanks for watching.